Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bank of Scotland business banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in bankofscotland.co.uk. After you come across this official page, click on the login button in the top right corner. Here in this login portal, you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and a valid password. If you want your device to remember your user ID, then check the box that says remember my user ID. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. If you have trouble remembering your username or password, then you can click on forgotten your login details link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on register for internet banking link. After entering your details, click on the continue button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Bank of Scotland business banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.